Morning students, welcome to module 1, India in the 6th century BC, rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Vardhamana Mahavira and Jainism. Causes for the rise of Jainism and Buddhism, reaction against ritualism, corruption in religion, rigid caste system, difficult language, political situation, agricultural economy. Sources to reconstruct the two religious reform movements, Jainism and Buddhism, the Angas. Tripitakas, Jatakas. Jainism. The doctrines of Jainism were preached by saints or acharyas called Tirthankaras. The first Tirthankara was Rishabhadev, 23rd Tirthankara was Parshavnath, and the 24th and the last Tirthankara was Mahavira. Mahavira is considered as the founder of Jainism. Doctrines of Jainism, Triratnas, right faith, knowledge and conduct. Second, karma. Jains believe that one should be responsible for one's own karma or actions. Equality. Mahavira laid stress on equality between men and women. Eternal soul. Mahavira believed in immortality of the soul. He said that body lies but not the soul. Salvation. Freedom from the cycle of birth and death is called as salvation. For salvation it is necessary to practice the Triratnas. Believe in penance. Jains believed in penance. To die of starvation was considered a virtue. Doctrines of Jainism, Triratnas, karma, equality, eternal soul, salvation and believe in penance. The primary cause for the rise of Jainism and Buddhism was the religious unrest in India in the 6th century BC. The complex rituals and sacrifices advocated in the later Vedic period were not acceptable to the common people. The sacrificial ceremonies were also found to be too expensive. What led to the decline of Jainism? The causes responsible for the decline of Jainism in India are lack of royal patronage of Jainism by kings and princes of later times and decline in the missionary zeal and sincerity of the Jain mendicants. The Jains were divided into two groups. Shvetambaras, known for monks that wear white robes. Digambaras, known for monks that do not wear anything. Sadhu is a monk. Sadhvi is a nun. Impact of Jainism, growth of vernacular languages. Major portion of Jain literature was written in Prakrit. Mahavira preached in Ardha Magadhi in order to make it easy for the people to understand his teachings. It also had an impact on Kannada literature in the south. Art and architecture. Jains erected stupas, rock-cut temples and caves. Example, Ellora Caves. Temples at Mount Abu, Rajasthan are some of the best examples. Religion. The Jains were the first to make ahimsa a rule of life. Feelings of brotherhood and peace prevailed. Crime rate also gradually decreased. Gandhiji gave back to the Indians the pride in their own culture. Social impact and welfare of mankind. The teachings of Mahavira led his followers to pay more attention to humanitarian services. They opened schools and colleges. They built inns for the benefits of travelers. Written work. All the short questions given at the back of the chapter to be answered in the notebook. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.